Weather map analysis objective: to acquire the basic methodology of preliminary analysis of weather maps, to develop the ability to compare values of different meteorological elements, and to understand the development of synoptic processes, to correctly identify and interpret the positions of isobars, cyclones, anticyclones, and atmospheric fronts on a weather map. Competencies to acquire: to analyze and evaluate the indicators plotted on weather maps, to identify the position of isobars, atmospheric centers, and precipitation zones, to consider the historical development of weather systems, and to make preliminary forecasts. Preliminary analysis of weather maps. After receiving meteorological observation data and plotting the coded report map, the analysis of the weather map begins. The interpretation of a map includes all sequential operations, starting from drawing isobars and isotherms. During analysis, one can compare the values of a certain meteorological element at different points at the same moment in time, compare different meteorological elements at the same location, compare values at different heights, or compare the temporal change of one element at a certain point or across different points. The state of the atmosphere at any given moment depends on its state in the preceding period. This means that when preparing a weather map, the historical evolution must always be considered. In other words, before making a weather map, one needs to be familiar with the history of the synoptic process in the region covered, including the positions of cyclones, anticyclones, pressure ridges, troughs, and atmospheric fronts. By doing this, one can form an initial impression of the pressure pattern, the evolution of atmospheric fronts, and their possible tendencies on the map being prepared. A processed synoptic chart provides an understanding of synoptic features, or the spatial distribution of meteorological parameters that form the weather. A sequence of weather maps shows the development of synoptic processes. Weather map analysis means applying the methodology of cross-analysis of weather variables plotted on the map.